Hey guys, and welcome to another video where today I am playing Roblox and David, go away. I am going to be showing you how to get a soccer ball, well actually how to fly using only a soccer ball, 4 trapdoors that I am putting down right now, and a chair. Crap, I'm anchoring my block. Anyway, so what you really want to do is just... Yeah, that's the right way. Okay. Do that. They're closing. Oh, there they go. They closed, and it'll do that. And then you just kind of put it like that. Then you open this door. Put a chair in. That's a weird way to put a chair, but it works. And then you just press E and you fly. Whee! David, stay out of the video! Please. Now I've done that, I'm going to show you the spaceship I made after I flip around for a bit. I made a spaceship. You will see spaceship. Very cool. Get out of the video, David! Leave! Well, then go to the kitchen. Yes. Just... This is a spaceship. There's beds here, chairs, and this is where I control it. One moment. Actually, okay, so this is a spaceship. Just real quick tour of the beds and stuff. I've already told you that. And it pretty much just works like this. Yay. Now I did that. I'm going to change the white team. And I'm going to show you my wheel and how fast it can get me to the end.
If it doesn't break first, yeah.
It doesn't break, David.
There's one time it did break, actually.
No, it didn't. No, it didn't.
Yes, it did. It fell out of the cage and died.
That was on a different one. Okay, so this is a wheel, and this is how it goes.
Oh, that's a cool ship.
Yeah, it's a wheel, gigantic wheel. And it spins and spins and spins. Yeah.
Really fast to the end. That's why he does it. And it goes pretty quick.
Yeah. It
And that's
very
why we
quick.
get destroyed.
Yeah.
How do you make it? Now, the gear place was one of the first places ever in the game. This is really
You just use the pilot seat and stuff.
Yes, you do need a pilot seat. Can you use the driver's seat?
No.
No. Has to be a pilot seat.
Has to.
Is the cannon the worst place? That place is the worst place. No, is the cannon the worst place when you're in that ship?
Boys, is your room clean?
No.
David and James, go clean your room. What? David, did you pick up all the trash already?
Go
Oof.
so fast.
Did you pick up the trash? Because I said so. He did clean some of it. He cleaned stuff that wasn't his, and I will deal with that in a minute.
I cleaned stuff that wasn't mine. I just grabbed a bunch of dirty clothes on the ground and
Right. It really helps.
That's the worst place
to be in that ship.
It helps to get past this, doesn't it? I have to hold the view change button so that I don't do this. I don't like it doing this.
Tim, can you make sure your room gets clean? Daddy said you had to do that. Sorry, Daddy said you had to do it. So once you get
Yay! I got the treasure. I'm gonna buy this. And I'm sorry the video has to end so quickly, but I got things to do and I probably wouldn't be able to make an entire video anyways. So, goodbye.